Hi, this is Bill Chan from 5 Elements of Fulfilling Life. I'm also a health coach, and today I want to talk to you about your gut health. Okay, there's so many papers and so many research recently that's done on the gut microbiome and how we are actually more bacteria than we're human. Actually, there's this estimated about 100 trillion microbiomes in our gut, and that's 10 times more than our human cells. So we're coexisting actually with the microbiomes in our gut. And depending on what we feed these microbiomes, they have different functions. It's not that we have good bacteria or bad bacteria, but what we feed them determines what they will do. They will do good things or bad things, okay? Now, here's the idea, okay? What is these bacteria actually feed on, right? They are very picky eaters, and they mainly feed on fiber, and that's fruits and vegetables, plant-based products. So when we eat plant-based products, it's not just plants. It's a variety of plants that we need to consume, somewhere around 30 different types of variety of plants and fruits. That means legumes, beans, grains. It could be vegetables, fruits, nuts that contains fiber. Only plant-based products contains fiber. Animal-based products doesn't. So there's literally millions of different types of fiber. And different bacteria like to consume different fibers. So when you feed them, you want generally a wide variety of microbiomes, and you want a large number of microbiomes in your gut. So you need to feed them different types of fruits and vegetables, legumes, plant-based products. So if you feed them, I would say somewhere around 30 different types of fruits and vegetables a week, so that different bacteria will get their favorite food, right? Now, what happens when you eat meat, proteins, fats? It goes to your smallest intestine, and that's it. It doesn't make it all the way down to your colon, where most of these microbiomes reside. Now, when they don't get their food, they get hungry. So what do? They basically chew on your membranes in the gut barrier. So your gut barrier, once it gets chewed, because it's very, very thin, okay? Once it gets damaged, what happens is you have leaky guts. And when you have leaky guts, the food you consume goes into your bloodstream. And when it goes to your bloodstream, your immune system detects it and it fires it, because it detects it as a foreign invader. Now, that's when you have autoimmune disease. 75% of your immune system is in your gut, and about 80% of the functions are done in the gut. So that means if you have a good microbiome in your guts, you'll have very healthy immune systems. Now, what a study done recently during COVID-19, they tried to find out what type of people actually get the COVID-19 and what type of people don't actually doesn't, right? They found that the people who generally gets the COVID-19 are people who have either hypertension or diabetes, they have heart issues or obese, and these are all gut-related issues. So when you have good gut bacteria, it will help you actually to be stronger in your immune system. It produces cytokines that are incredibly powerful against cancer, against all types of chronic illnesses.